Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another session on Vibe with Lady MM. So today we are coming to restyle a pixie wig cap, okay, a closure pixie wig cap. So I pre-cut the hair, but I'm restyling. The cutting was not smoothly done, so I'm just restyling. So what I'm doing here right now is I'm just trying to reduce the volume of the wig cap. So you could see a lot of around the ear and the part I'm cutting, a lot of hair out there. So I'm just trying to trim and reduce the volume. So that's what I'm doing right there, using my razor comb. So I'm making sure just take off excess hair, too much hair from wherever it is. Wherever I find too much hair, I try to cut it off. And then I try to use the clippers to define the nip side so that it looks more defined. Okay, yeah, so I think I'm done with that. So it's time for me to style it. So I'm just applying my heat protector and then using my hot comb to comb it out to smoothen things, and then I can continue styling. Yeah, so that's what I'm just doing right there. And I also added mousse to it to make it firm for me as well, because yeah, this is a human hair. If you don't do that, you'll be having a lot of flyaways. So I'm just trying to put the mousse there and then smoothing everything using the hot comb. So I already pat it out. My C part was already done before I started the video. So let's go ahead and style and curl. So I'm just going to curl that part of them. It was looking too simple. I just want to add some kind of class to it, uniqueness. So I was just trying to pat it in small portions or small parts, and then I'll use the straightener to curl it out. This time around, I'm not using a curler or a bending rollers, just using the straightener. So you could see that I'm curling towards the back. That's what I'm doing. Curl towards the back. The front one towards the back, and then the back one towards the front, so that everything will position very well. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Just making sure. So I'm just patting it in smaller portions, smaller parts, so that the start curling will be more easier and flexible for me to do. Yeah, so after doing this, if there are some parts that are not well done, I'll just peel them out and then try to re-curl those parts very well, and then use my finger to finger comb through, or the tip of my comb to comb through to make it look nice. Yeah, so that is what I have done there. This video is not long. Yeah, so you can see what I'm doing there. So that part is not well done, so I'm just picking it out and then try to straighten it or curl it towards the back, away from the closure. So this is actually a closure pixie cut that I did. Yeah, so that's it. I hope this has helped somebody. So if you have your closure wig cap there and you want to restyle it, maybe you first had it like the straight part and you want to add some class to it. Yeah, voila. So we are done. So this is how it is looking. I hope this video has helped somebody. Yeah, I hope somebody has learned something from this. So that's it. How is it looking? Put it in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.